Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Okay, so here we are going to design the home page. Okay, this is the home page 3. So to do that, now first let me log into my dashboard. Okay, so /wp admin. Okay, let me enter my password and log in. Okay, so here we are. Now we are on our dashboard. So first let me open, let me go to the back end. We are going to design the page. Okay, so let's go to, let me refresh the page again because I cannot see edit with Elementor here. So I have to refresh the page just to get that. Okay, good. So I can now click here to edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we are. My internet is through now, so but it's still loading. Let me show you something. First of all, the image that we downloaded is too big, as you can see. Let me check. The size is 956 KB, okay, which is too much. So I'm going to look for an online tools to reduce or to compress it. Now I normally use that is tiny PNG, but this format, it will not work for this format. Okay. So what I will use is that is image. Okay, so the image compressor online, let's use that. Okay, I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go with this one. It's okay, good. So we can now upload the image. Okay, so we can now upload the image. So let's upload it. You see the size is too much. If you use such a fast size on your website, you see it has reduced by 86%. Okay, so we can now click download, and now we can download it again. So we are going to compare the two sizes and see if it's now better. Okay, let's see. So this today's one. So now the size is 136, and look at this one. 956. So this one is now good. Okay, it's good. Okay, and then the quality too is still the same. Okay, so it has just reduced the size. Okay, but the quality is still the same. Now let's move on. Let's come back here. I don't know why that, but today my internet is very slow, so let's wait. I think it's still loading, so let's give it a time. Okay, so now let us continue. So first of all, let me go with this one. Okay, let me go with this one. I will go with this. Okay, so let's select that. Good. I'll stretch this one, and then the height. Let's go for minimum height. But you see the minimum height, the default one is pixels. Okay, let's make it VH. That's the view height. Okay. What it means is that, okay, so first let me make it 100%. It's in percentage. Okay, so right now is 60%. So what it means is that I'm using the a small screen size. Okay, so meaning it will occupy 71% of my screen. Okay, so if you are using if you open the site with a large screen size, okay, it will occupy 71% of that particular screen. I'm talking about the landing or the hero session. This is the hero session. Okay, good. So right now I want to use 100% so that the landing page here will occupy, that is 100%. Okay, good. So that's what it means. Now let's click here again. Okay, so make sure, come here. If you have not done that, make sure here you select page layout, Elementor full weight, then you hide the title. Okay, it's very important. Now, so let me go back here. Anytime you want to come to where the elements are, you have to come and click here. Okay, good. So right now you want to add the image, so click here, go to star, and now let's go to here. Click here. We are going to locate the image. Okay, good. So here, make sure you rename the image. Okay, so rename it nicely. Okay, so this is e-learning website. Okay, this is not part of the tutorial, but make sure you rename it nicely, and let's add it. Okay, now I can you see it's very light now, so I can now copy the name from here, then you paste it here. Okay, I will not do that. So okay, so it has been added. Okay, so here what I will do is position. Let me go for center. Okay, good. And then there we have the size. Okay, so the size, let's go for cover. Okay, let me save it. So what I will do is I will open preview. Okay, preview. Okay, good. So we are trying to preview what we are doing here. Okay, it's very important, so that in order for us to follow our whatever we are doing. Okay, so now let us continue. Let's come back here. Good. Now it's looking good. Okay, so center is okay, and here the repeat, we can select no repeat. Okay, good. Let me save it. Now let me close this and come to background overlay. Okay, we want to add overlay. Okay, good. So let's select here colors. We can add gradient. Okay, something like multiple colors, so we can go with this, and then we select this color. Okay, then we can decide to use, let's go here. Good. Okay, opacity. Okay, so we can either increase it or decrease it. Okay, anyhow that we want it, we can do it in that way. I think this one is cool. Okay, and then this one I will go with 90. Okay, you see this one is like we have a blue on top here, and then this color down here, but when I go with the 91, you see that we have the color here, then the blue color here. I think that is nice, it's cool. And then the color too, let me make it like 75 is cool. Okay, let me save it, and now when I go back to the preview here, it will refresh the page for us, and now we don't have to refresh the page again. So you see, good. So this is how the site is looking, but the lady is here. Okay, so what I will do is let me make it come to the middle. Okay, so first let me click here again, and let's go here back again, and here it was center. I don't like that. Okay, so center right, no, center left, or let me leave it as default. Okay, and let's see. I think let me expand here, still the same. Okay, but no problem, it's cool. Okay, it's cool. Okay, so let me close it. It's good. So over here, what I'll put here is, let me put a text here. Good, and let me put it at the center. I can make it white. Okay, good. And then what should I write here? We see we don't actually need, I don't know if the picture, okay, it's okay. Let's see. Okay, good. So let me enter here, that is reader. Okay, so let me go with this one. Let me go to course.reader.com. I'm talking about my e-learning platform. So what I will do is Reader Course Community. Okay, so that is, let me make it a Reader Course. No, I will not put a Reader Course there. What I will put there is this one. Learning that gets you. Okay, good. So let me put this one here. Good. Okay, so what else do we need? We need a text editor here. Oh, sorry, I think I've selected wrong. This one, text editor. Good. Okay, and here I'll go with the center and white. Good. Okay, so, and then the text size, I will make it like 17. Okay, good. Okay, so let me come back here again. Here, let me go with skills for your present and future. Okay, Okay, good. So I will select that, come back here, unselect that and delete. Let me remove this, so have that. Okay, if I want to add a button, I can do that. I can search for button here, put a button here, make it center align. Okay, good. So this time let me make it all courses. Okay, so I will just enter all courses here. Courses. Okay, so it's supposed to pop up. Why? Okay, good. All courses. Good. So that will be okay. I think that's the correct. Okay, page. Good. So we have linked to this one, and good. So what we will do is let's go down here. Okay, good. So okay, so let's style it, and let me come back here. I'm going to style it. Okay, so here what I will do is the border type, let me make it solid and give it like 1. Okay, 1 is okay. Good. Then if it is 1, then let's come down here. Border color, the color, let's go with white. Okay, good. And then border radius, do you want to have like over? If you want over 1, just put something like 50 here. Okay, like 50 here or 60, you see, then you have something like over. Okay, but I don't like that. I would rather put 0 just to get something like a triangle. Okay, good. And so here I will uncheck that. Okay, and then here will be 15, and then the here to will be 15, and then here will be 40. Okay, so that is the side here is 40, the top is 15, but I think the top is too close, so 17 is okay, and here to 17 is okay. Good. Okay, now what I will do is I will give it a background, okay, like shadow. Okay, the shadow. Okay, so the shadow, I want to go with this color. Okay, the same color. So let me use the color picker and pick this color. Okay, good. So let me select that, and the shadow here I will paste that color here. Good. Okay, you see we have that. So what I will do is, okay, so let me click here again. I have to reduce the color. Okay, good. Okay, good. So what I will do is, let's go down here. Good. So let me click that again, and make here like 3, and then here 2. Okay, so let me leave that part. Okay, good. So what I will do is, this inner, I will make it transparent. Okay, okay, so here the background, the inside one, I'll reduce it just to make it transparent. Okay, good. So that we have that. Good. And I think this one, let me increase. I don't know, it's not showing well. And then okay, so let me increase this one too. Okay, I think it's okay. Good. So let's go up here. So what I will do is, okay, I have to change this. So I can enter here, view courses. Okay, or view view okay, view courses, view courses. I think it's okay. View course, which one? If you think this one is okay, then maintain it. If you want to change it, that is fine. You can go ahead and do that. Okay, so what I can do is, right now I want to add animation. So let's come back to style again. So over here, what I want to do is, I want to add animation to the button. Okay, Good. Okay, so what I will do is the text color will be white. Okay, will be white. No, the text color I'll rather go for this blue color, and then the background will be white. Okay, the background will be white, and then the border too will be white. Okay, good, good, good. And let me save that. Okay, so let's come back here and let's see what we have done so far. Okay, so I think the refreshing is still ongoing. Good, it's done. So as you can see, the way it's bouncing. Okay, when you put a bounce on it, then it's bouncing like a baby. Okay, I'm just joking. Okay, now I want this one to go closer to that, so I will click here and uncheck that, and I will go to up. I think it's okay. This one we will do the same to this. This one too. Let's go here and click up. Okay, good. So let's check the mobile view and the rest, and let's move on. So the mobile view, you can see that the picture is at different positions. So the picture, let me make it center. Good. I think it's okay now. And then okay, so the size is cover. The cover is okay. Good. No repeat. So let me save that. Okay, and then I think the text is okay. Text is okay. Let's come back here on tablet 2. Everything is looking perfect. Okay, so there's nothing to change here. Good. And let's come back here. So we are done with the design of the hero session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.